Papa had to stop into the local archery shop down here called Drop Time. We got Tyler back here. Hey, y'all want to stop in? He's got a beautiful shop. If you're in the area and you need supplies or you need a pro shop, that's the man to come see. All right?
Absolutely.
He's a good guy. I talked with him for a little while. I talked his ear off, so, you know.
Anytime.
But, hey, you got to be a good guy if he's going to listen to me. So, all right. Hey, let's take a look and see what he's got here. Look at this. He's got all kind of stuff here. He's got your camo needs. He's got your accessories. Oh, turkey season. Turkey season's coming up. Ooh. Yeah, I'm missing turkey season. Got some stands over here. Yeah. Got your bait. Yeah. It's got what you need. Got a whole good assortment of bows, shafts, and you're a pro shop, right?
Yes,
so you
sir.
do all the repairs and
All work, tuning, repairs, anything you need.
good. Primarily set up for hunting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Starting to stretch out into the target side.
Yeah. 3D and target.
Yeah, 3D. That's kind of piqued my interest lately.
And bow fishing.
Yeah.
You guys gator hunt down here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a couple seasons to do it.
That's one thing I haven't done yet.
No?
No. Yeah, I haven't done gator hunting yet.
It's a good time. There's all sorts of ways you can do it. You can bow fish them, you can just throw a hook, gaff them, shoot them.
Really?
Yeah.
You need a special tag or license for that?
Yeah, a lot of places will do, they hand out permits for them.
Okay.
So you get, a permit to hunt Lake Okeechobee, and you can go out on Lake Okeechobee. And
Okay, it's like zoned out.
Yeah.
Okay, so certain areas, so it's not overfished or overhunted.
Right.
And yeah, but Florida's the #1 capital for gators. Yeah. So, but yeah, I'm Cajun.
Yeah.
So I live in New Jersey, so I'm a Cajun Yankee actually, and I go to Louisiana a lot.
Right.
But I hunt pigs. Okay, on my cousin's lease.
Yep.
And so we don't hunt. They lease it out for the gator hunters.
Right.
All right, and but I've never hunted gators, but I've always wanted to come out, and I've been trying to get somebody to hook me up here in Florida to go pig hunting.
Right.
But hey, maybe somebody out there will hit me up, take me pig hunting.
Yep.
I don't know. We'll see.
There you go.
All right, Tyler, I'm gonna let you go. Come see this guy. All right,
Appreciate it.
he's gonna hook you up. All right, let's get on out down the road here. Again, you want something for your archery needs? Stop in, Drop Time Pro Shop. He's out there in Hudson, Florida. So if you're in the area, you probably already know about him. Go check him out. All right, I'm heading on out of here and heading down the road. Well, we got back on the road, but I had to stop at Wendy's to get a Frosty and fries. So, little pit stop. Get a pit stop, finish this up, then we'll head back out on the road.